it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on tonight with some new clean makeup 2024. This makeup that I'm going to be showing you beauties tonight and testing out for the first time myself and unboxing it is from Jouer. Now, I had become familiar with Jouer brand, the makeup brand, a few years ago. Actually, it's a beauty brand. They do have skincare. And I had originally, come upon their booth at IMATS, and I believe I just saw a lip gloss, and it was just the most beautiful nude gloss that I had ever seen. So I purchased it. I didn't know that it was clean beauty. I didn't know anything about the brand. I just love the packaging, love the shade, and then wearing it was such a dream. It was just so comfy on my lips and just the most gorgeous shade. So, but to be honest, guys, I kind of forgot about Jouer since then. I don't believe I purchased anything else. And I know there was something maybe with Jeffree Star a few years ago saying that he loved some Jouer products, but I don't remember specifically. But dolls, what happened is that YouTube recommended me this video, and it was just saying something about Paris and it looked so beautiful. So I started watching it. Lo and behold, it is Christina, and she actually is the founder and creator of Jouer, and she has her own YouTube channel, and it is such a pleasure to watch her channel. It is just eye candy. So for a good amount of time, I was watching the channel just thinking she was another vlogger or, beauty blogger, or I believe she's maybe a mature beauty. So, because she was speaking about menopause, but she, that's regardless, because some people don't realize, but are you like me? But I love to watch beauties of all ages. I don't like, sometimes I hear mature beauties saying, oh, the younger people, they don't like resonate with them. No, I love watching the mature beauties. I learn so much from them, and I am so inspired by them. And they're so beautiful. They're not any less beautiful than the younger beauty community girls or guys. But anyway, I know some of you are here just to see the makeup. Let me get into it and then we'll chit chat more. But I came across her channel, but I was just watching the fashion. I was just watching Paris, and she was going out to eat. Everything was so beautiful. Her apartment is stunning. So that's what drew me in. And then she started speaking about these Jouer products and what she had just made and what's coming out. And I was like, oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. But she's she was showing her products and the new things, and I was like, oh my god, she's a beauty creator. I could not believe it. So then she was speaking about the Jouer products, and she was, I just learned so much that I didn't know. I didn't know Jouer was clean beauty. I didn't know they're talc free. I didn't know about how amazing the ingredients are. I had just, like I said, purchased it at IMATS and loved the color and the packaging. I didn't know what I was buying. But she was really speaking about it and showing the new things. So I couldn't help myself. I went ahead and placed the order of some of the things that are new to Jouer 2024 that have just come out. So, and then she was putting things on and they look so beautiful on her. I was just totally influenced. Whatever she was showing, I had to have. I would have actually got more stuff, but I was trying to control myself. But anyway, beauties, let me show you what I got. I just got my package today and I'm really excited. So, okay, here's just the first thing that came out. So this, I had to get one of her hats because first of all, I love red. I'm so addicted to the red shade now. And I didn't realize, but let me go ahead and just open this really quick. But jouer, I looked it up, and jouer, I believe, means play in French. Oh, it does say jouer. So that's why I really wanted it. Oh, and it says Paris. So I love that. And I've never been to Paris. That's why I love watching these videos and seeing other people, and I've kind of just living through them. So, and it just looks so beautiful. I would love to go to Paris someday. So I love that it said Paris. And then it says jouer here. And I didn't know this, but jouer means play in French, which I thought was amazing because to me, makeup is about playing. It's my playtime. It's time to play and have fun and enjoy yourself, and it totally takes me away like I'm playing like a child. So that's why I really think people need to really embrace that, because you don't have to be, some people are so serious and so just kind of nasty about it, and it's like, what, play, have fun. If you mess up, you could take it off. Like, you could take a wipe, you could take your finger, wipe it off, start over. You know, it's okay. Just have fun, just relax. That's what makeup is to me. And so I really like that it says Jouer on it. That's why I actually purchased this. It's a reminder to play, guys. Have fun. And you know, it's important to play. It's important to feed your soul and to have that time to play and relax and again feed your soul. So it's so important. It's so important to self-care, to your mental health, to take time out to play. And, you know, this way, if you take care of yourself, you can take care of others. So it's not being selfish to take time out for yourself to play. So with whatever, you know, whatever it is that relaxes you or, you know, takes you away for a moment. So anyway, beauties, here's everything that I got. Let me go ahead. Oh, now here, oh my goodness. Okay, so one thing that she was showing, and I'll link her channel down below because I think so many of you beauties would love it. She's very, oh, and she does Amazon hauls and she finds amazing stuff. So I'm a fan. I'm now a fan. I'm a fangirl. So I think this is the new kit that she came out with that she was showing on her channel. And I believe this is a pH color changing, yes, pH adjusting lip balm and lip liner set. And again, everything is clean beauty. So I'm really excited to try this now. And she had tried this on her channel. And this is what actually, I was just like, oh my God, I need that. It looked so gorgeous on her. So I'm going to test that out in just a moment. And then I also got, oh, I got another cream liner, lip liner, because I love lip liner. And this one is more of a nude tone, I believe. And then this one is more of a rosy tone. And I know I love nude lipsticks. So I actually I ordered an extra nude, you know, I believe that's probably just like a deep nude. We'll try it out in a second though. But then here I got this. This is oh, her barrier cream. So excited to try this. Ultra rich moisturizer from day to night. So hydrate and repair, pH balance. So I can't actually try this right now. I guess I'll just test it on my hand. But I think one of the things that she was saying, or you can put it on your neck, she says, reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Love the packaging. And now her kind of aesthetic is Parisian Los Angeles vibes. And when you go to her website and you go to even her YouTube channel, you do feel the vibe. You really do, you know, feel the energy of the Los Angeles and the Paris. It's very unique. It's so wonderful. So now here is Moisture Mist. So this is a mist that they have, hydrate and repair. Oh, now this is really good. I'm excited to try this because this has blue light protection in it. So what that is going to do is protect your face from the blue light. And she was speaking about this and I was just enthralled. Everything she was speaking about, I was like, yes. So she was saying how we're all of us, so many of us are always on our phones and the blue light, as she said, is damaging to our skin, just, you know, similar to sun damage, which I didn't realize. So she said this has blue light protection in it. I'm going to try this right now. And the packaging is beautiful. I love it. It's like a champagne gold and baby pink, very light pink. So let me go ahead and try this because I'm addicted to mist. And for a long time I said, oh, Allegra, you can only use your own mist, which you would, you know, it's not kind of true because now there's so many mists out there that do different things. Like this one, okay, that was a very, very, very fine mist. This is very similar to the mist on the La Mer. The La Mer is, you feel nothing on your skin. I'll do a whole video of mists if you beauties want because I'm addicted to any kind of mists. But now, oh, I love the font on this. This is beautiful packaging, stunning. But okay, so far, what I really like about this, it feels totally weightless. It's not too heavy at all. This is very similar. It feels right now like the La Mer. But the blue light protection. Now my spray and so many sprays, I don't have any sprays that have blue light protection. So that's what's really unique about this. And she was saying how people have their phone like in their face, even, you know, before you go to bed, you have your phone in your face. And she's like, that's a great time to mist your face with her moisture mist. You can put this on. This isn't necessarily for makeup whatsoever. It's for, you know, protecting you from the blue light. So you could put this on before you go to bed and then go to bed. And if you're like me, I read, you know, I'm on my phone in the bed. I have the phone like this, but this is going to protect your skin. So that's why I'm so excited for this. So, and again, everything is clean beauty. Now I'm going to go ahead and test out these lips and I'll test out the moisturizer. Let's test out the moisturizer really quickly because actually I'll put it on my neck and my chest area here. But let's put a little bit of this on and see. Oh, it's very thick and emollient. Oh, it feels so good. And now this I feel good about putting on my chest because of the clean ingredients. I'm so scared to put anything on my chest that is not clean ingredients. This smells so good, you guys. It's very light. The scent is very light. It smells so clean. Scented. Very, very, very light. That's the kind of scent I like. A light scent. And I like, or you like me, but I like scents that they don't smell artificial. They just smell kind of essential oil based, like pure essential oil based. And that's what this smells like. Wow. And now this is a barrier cream. So this is a really great product to use, a product like this, under your makeup. It's going to protect your skin from, there are a lot of kind of chemicals in a lot of makeup products. But if you use a barrier cream like this, it's going to protect your skin. So any chemicals that you put on your skin, if you're putting anything on your skin that has a lot of irritants in it, then this is going to protect your skin. So this is what I'm really interested in as well. I want to use this because I'm very concerned. I like to use everything Clean Beauty now, and I'm concerned about, I did have a health scare, so I'm very into protecting my health now as best I can. So this feels incredible though. It is very thick and hydrating feeling, but not sticky. It's tacky, but it's not sticky. And it feels good actually. And so I'm excited though. I'm going to use this on my face. So I'm probably going to come back and I'll do a full face of, makeup or Clean Beauty. But I'm going to be wearing this on the regular. As long as it doesn't break up under my makeup and things like that. And I don't think it will. I'm going to wear this every day from now on under my makeup to protect my skin again from the chemicals in a lot of the makeup. I don't have all clean makeup. I have lots of other makeup, and so I don't have like a clean foundation. I do have clean setting powder. At this time though, I'm using different makeup that's not Clean Beauty. So that is Clean Beauty. So you put that on and it's going to protect your skin from your other products that are not Clean Beauty, if you know what I mean. So anyway, dolls, let's keep it moving. I'm so excited. I did now here get the lip kit. So where did I put, oh, here it is. It fell. I'll be right back. So I'm just going to take this lip off and then we'll try on the lip kit. So I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back and I just took off my previous lip and now I'm going to put on the lip kit. So this is new to 2024. And so this is the Wild Rose lip liner and then the pH color changing lip balm. So this is actually what started my little haul because she put this on and I was just in love. I was like, oh my God, whatever she's wearing, I need it. So here is the lip liner. Oh, this is beautiful. That I actually wasn't sure if I would like this shade on me because of course my complexion is a little different than hers. Everybody's different. But I mean, it looks so gorgeous on her. But I don't know. Because normally I don't like rose toned lip liners, but this is beautiful. Wow, I'm shocked. That's why I actually bought the other lip liner because I wasn't sure I would like this, but it's gorgeous. Wow. Oh, and it's so creamy. It is retractable, so you don't need to sharpen it. And beautiful packaging as well. Just this beautiful champagne color. It feels so good, so creamy, but it does feel like it's budge proof, like it's not going to be transferring. Oh, look at that. It really stayed so well in my lip line. So many lip liners don't. Because I kind of overdraw my lips. So these are drawn on lips. And so sometimes they bleed out the liners. That's why I can't use them. But this one is already staying put beautifully. Wow. So here is the pH color changing balm and beautiful, gorgeous baby pink. It's ombre baby pink packaging into gold. This is just perfection. The packaging is beautiful. So let's see how this looks. Oh my goodness. You guys, how gorgeous is this? I'm so shocked. That's beautiful. She's a genius. She's a genius. This is Christina's. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I don't even need... A lot of times I have to go back in with my lip liner. I don't feel a need to. This is the most beautiful lip kit. These two together. Most beautiful thing I've ever seen in a lip product. I don't even want to take it off. I don't even want to take this off. And Clean Beauty, so you don't have to worry. Because one time, recently I was reading about how with your lips, it's very important to use Clean Beauty because you're kind of ingesting it. So you are ingesting it actually, but this you can feel good about because it's clean ingredients. And seriously, the most gorgeous, and it feels incredible. It's a balm, and it does feel balm-like. It's not slipping and sliding. It doesn't feel slippery or greasy or oily or anything like that. It feels incredible. It feels like it's staying put. I can't believe it because when she put it on, it looked gorgeous on her. I didn't expect it to look so much like that on me. Like, I just couldn't believe it the way it came out. But actually, everybody's different. It's going to come out different on everybody. But that's, this is my new favorite for seriously for life. I'm just gonna try out the other lip liner, but I didn't need to purchase it. I just didn't think I would like the shade Wild Rose because normally I don't like rose lip liners, but this is gorgeous. It's stunning. If you have a complexion like mine, I would love to. I need models because I would love to try different, lip, uh, different colors on different complexions. So here is, see, this one is more of a, traditional nude shade. So let me take this off and then I'll try this one on. So here is this lip liner beauty. This one is called Nude. So you just kind of twist it to get the product up. I like that because a lot of times I don't have my lip liner sharpener. So this is nice. And then here is this one, Nude. Beautiful, creamy texture. It's not very deep. And then I'll put this balm on top of this lip liner. Oh, that's gorgeous too. It's all beautiful. I don't know which one. They're both stunning. But actually, I do like the Wild Rose lip liner better. So the kit is everything. The kit is stunning. I didn't need to purchase this because I explained it already. You're like, girl, you told us. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is amazing. It feels so good. It feels like it's just not gonna budge. This lip balm. So this Clean Beauty makeup haul today was seriously, oh my goodness, I'm so glad I purchased this. And this is makeup that I'm truly going to love, enjoy, use every single day because I love to wear makeup on the daily, but I really had been starting to feel uncomfortable the more I learn about, clean beauty. I just only want to wear clean beauty, but I don't have all clean beauty. So anyway, I'm getting my clean beauty collection together. So this is absolutely stunning. I could not recommend this more. Christina did, the founder of Jouer, did give a promo code. Maybe I'll try to find it. But otherwise, when you go to her website, if you sign up for emails, she does have that 15% off coupon. So you'll definitely get 15% off. I highly recommend this lip kit, seriously. And I'm going to try out the barrier cream and I'll get back to you. The moisture mist is very nice. It doesn't, I'm definitely interested in the blue light protection benefits for that mist specifically, but I'm going to try to get into that, but I can't promise you that I'll be doing it every night because I was planning to do it every night. But the barrier cream, I'm going to get back to you, or I'll test it out with you beauties another day. We'll do a get ready with me and I'll put that on and see how it holds up. This is everything. This is incredible, this lip kit. So if there's one thing that if you can get, this is it. This is amazing. So anyway, dolls, thank you so much for spending time with me today and checking out my Clean Beauty Makeup Haul 2024. Let me know if you have any Jouer favorites, or have you tried Jouer? Let me know down below. Are you familiar with Christina's channel? I'll also have her channel linked down below. It's CZ Jouer, her channel, but I'll link it too as well. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and spending time with me today. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.